as other tribe they busy, they cause the Igbos. They say one Igbo man don't shokotalize everybody. As we they talk right now, this man don't go build his own way of car and also build the grass cutting machine. And for there he also build a chairs with many things. This guy are building from scratch by his own God-gifted wisdom. My people, God really bless the Igbo people, and that is why I have said it here before. If you have anything that you are doing, you feel like you want the world to see it, you want the world to see what you are doing, please don't forget to inbox me. Send me the video of your handwork. I mean handwork. Oh, I am not here to promote any cream or anything. I mean your God-given talent, your handwork you are creating, that you want people to see this is what you are doing. I will do it for you free of charge. So this Igbo man, this guy is doing well for himself. I want you to watch this video, and I'll also put his TikTok handle on the comment section. When you go there, you can go to his profile and support him. You can share, you can like, you can support him financially or any way. You see what this guy is doing? He's creating it from scratch. He built this car you are seeing here. So when we run into China, we are going to China to buy things. Is this way China started? Yes. And Igbo people have this blessing, this God-given talent that they can do many things. But because of the situation we find ourselves today, many people did not give up on their dream. And I want to also use this medium to tell our brothers, our brother who are bloggers, who have big channel, our celebrities. If you have fan page, you can use it to support your people. Now, I'm also talking on behalf of coming up content creators that coming from Southeast, from Igbo, please help those people. When you see them, help them, because when you see a video when they are stealing tomorrow, maybe the person have tried, they post many videos, nobody see him, nobody share him, nobody give him platform, and he will not become an robber. They will put tire and boy him. You will share it. See crime children nowadays are committing. Please, I want us to use our platform to help our people. I'm begging the ones who already have platform, share other people, bring them up, share them. They will not forget that. Okay, my people, let's go back to what we are saying. This Igbo man or this Igbo boy, look at what he's building. I'll play you the video for you to see. Please, as you share, as you watch them, may you share them and see how God bless Igbo people, how God bless them with wisdom, where other tribes are busy talking nonsense about them. They are busy creating things for themselves, building their future. Just watch the video and don't forget to stay there for Balabajis. Please share this video.
Yes. So I complete with the front wheel. When I go there, I will see go the front wheel. If the two tires now, I don't go figure. And again, that's a go which every money get to. I feel. So yeah, but he also just mount to the steering wheel so that everybody can issue control the wheel. If you go the thing. So I phone all about going and everything. All in a big and so still near a ton is rich. You may you know, nothing a tie and a ton of I feel in enough tie and a ton is rich. So everything. So everything need be on our do complete. No, it is not always a pedals. Both throttle pedal, brake pedal, and clutch. So just three pedals we have for in an area. Mount the seats. only your engineer. Yeah. Call them.
Ụmụnne m ekenekwa m unu n'ahịa unu afụ na ya bụ ụgbọala na ọbịa construction dị na ya abịagokwe na njedebe. Unu n'ahịa fụ na ihe niile ejupụta egokwe na ya bụ ụgbọala, ma change over, ma ebe brain box ya, ma gear select ya. So unu nekwa ya unu afụ like na change over na afụ ebe a for ịga iru n'azụ, and batrị bụ abịa na power. Ebe a bụ 20 volts 30 amp, mana correct m ya in parallel for ndị ma ihe. Unu negasịa ya bụkwa moto ga-ebu ya bụ ụgbọala. Ndị ụfọdụ na-ajụgharị m na moto a pekwa mpe, ịdịkwa sure na ọ ga-evu igwe mmadụ? Mana ọzi itestizikwa ya ka a ga-egosipụta mara na ọ ga-evukwa mmadụ ọma ngwugwo ya ahụ. Enezikwa ya like hazi ya niile construction ya mere na ya dịka o jupụtakwara na ihe dị omimi. So ihe white box na-afụ bụ ebe brain box ya dị. Ịnekwa na ya fụ na 3 pedals ka ya bụ ụgbọ wepụrụ as manual ọ bụ. Ihe white box na-afụ bụ ebe battery indicator, ebe ọ na-egosi voltage battery adịghị ama ịnyụnarị mmadụ n'ụzọ. Nezikwa n'iru ya ebe suspension iru ya, ifu construction emegachi dị. Even ma taya nke unu na-afụ ihe akwa taya wheelbarrow. Ọka ihe o wee fụ na ya bụ ihe jupụtakwara na dịka echiche dịgasị iche iche. Unu na-afụ ya chis technology jisi ike. Even ma shock absorber na-afụ n'ọbụ nke motorcycle. Ọ ya bụ ihe wee tinye ebe ahụ. N'ezikwa ka steering rack ya shikọ na-etinyetu taya nke ọzọ, ma braking system ya ọzi ka nlezie ka a ga-esi yazie ya.
Okay. Go. Come.
This is electric car. I don't know how you'll be able to convert this electric car, but this guy is doing wonderful. In fact, now I want you to watch. He built another thing that I forget to say. This one is a cooking machine. This thing can last for many years. Just watch.
Ụmụnne m ekenekwa m unu. Ihe unu na-afụ ebe a bụ structure electric stove na-arụ. Si unu nekwa n'anya na-afụ ebe na-awụ ezi cast cement n'ime ya. So cement a na-atinye ya bụ so that element nọrọ n'elu ya ma na-emete those iron. Although na element a na-atinye ya bụrụ nke na-ashọk ashọk, mana achị na mgbochi ọya ka ọgwụgwọ ya. So ihe cement a ga na-arụ ọrụ ya in form of insulator. Ọ ya mere ndị awụ ya n'ime ya. And then glass and tụkwasị ya so that ka iru surface ya dị smooth. Ịnekwa na before mee nna dị vụrụ ụzọ were ọya tee n'okpuru ya so that ka ọ dịrị easy detach. So nnecha ya unu afụzi ka ọ dị. Ifuru ka ọ dị kịta oge awụsịrị ya. Ị na-afụ ya na element a ga-ati ya bụ element nke a dị ebe a. Unu nekwe na iron leg ka o busi nnọọ. And ọkpụ ya iron leg a vụchichiri ezigbo ike. Ọ bụrụ nke ọ ga-abụ ọnọkịta achị like na ọgbagọ ma ihe na. Unu nene material eji rụcha ife na material eji rụọ ya dị standard ọfụma. Ọ ya bụ the thing. Olu na-afụ na middle a bụ ebe element ga-efit. Ifuru nwere element a kịta ọ banye n'ime ebe ahụ nọrọ ọfụma. Ifugo the purpose of cement ahụ kịta n'enyi ya ka ọ dakwasị. Ịnekwa na efu nọ nke a bụ enu ya, enu the stove be ya. inekwa na ifu na iron sheet ka eji omebu enu ya kwa nke a bụ na o nwere ite na-ama ndo ewu n'enu ya, and nke a na-eshikwa nri ọfụma ọfụma nọ n'afọ ya efu ka o si tụchaa the element gap. So nke a bụ like na ọwụwa ihe nkwu m ga na-achị like na element na-emetụta the iron ma nke a ọ na-eme shocking. So mba, ọ dị eme shocking chaa chaa. Nnekwa na efu like na ebe anụ a aka m na-agacha bụ ebe m ga-agbacha iron ga na-ebutekwa ite na ọ bụkwa na obere ite ka ị na-eshikwe. So ka i wee fụ na the element bụ multipurpose. So inekwe iron na-afụ bụ 1 inch angle iron, ọ ebe a ka iji weta material nji wee na-arụ the electric stove. Nwanne m na-afụ okwu efu oge finishizi ya bụ ọrụ, efu okwu o si ama na the electric stove ya bụ ụmụnne m patronize kwanụ cheese technology. So nke a na-afụ daalụ.
Oh my God, my people, are you seeing talent? Okay, now watch the grass cutting machine. You people call it a feed weeder or whatever. They use it to clear the feed. Just watch this one.
Na boy, ihe a ga-ebe biko mmadụ okwu o. Eziokwu. Ihe aghọtaghị gị a.
So now, kita who is you if like one good thing you like or yourself but like now, like always two direction because of this reversing gearbox. Like no kita no, like you only rotate now but anti-clockwise. So I'm on two ways or whatever I'm on side. So any side that go she decline if no go she aga. That is clockwise. Mana kita mmeheni ya change here you're gonna get it anti-clockwise. So njiri aso ife kita ị ga-afụzi na side ebe a ifo kita ga-adịkwa neat to tank cash. So ka I test is here now.
Yes, you can see everything on your own.
So if we get now, they can issue welfare. If for that time never had the floor, no painter apple of money in his eye, they feel like paint after because now guys anti-clockwise. So all the advantage of this machine. But no always two face the sharp because of this reversing gearbox. So that always aside and call your uncle. It to area goes here clockwise.
So Otago should do one down.
My people, are you seeing raw talent? This guy is too much, and that is why I choose to do this video. It will pay me that you will watch this video, you did not share this video. Please share this video. Me, I'm begging you for my own sake. Share it. My account is under restriction, but I believe that when you share it, people can still see it. Please share it so that people will see it. I want people to see this particular video. This guy is doing wonderful. Now I want you to watch the chair he built again. Just watch this one. My people, this our brother is doing well for himself. This guy are doing all these things you see here, and this kind of people you cannot see our big brothers. Please, if you have platform, this is the things. When you see these things, please don't wait for the person to confront you. He's doing it for himself, and this is crazy. This is good. Please, I want you guys to share this video. Share it. This guy is doing. He started this motor, this car you are seeing here. He started it from scratch. Go to his page, you will see when he started that thing. He joining it from scratch, bringing things, joining together, and come up with this particular idea you are seeing here. And this is how the Chinese, the Japanese, the Americans, the Italians, the all country that is manufacturing things, this is how they started, and this is how they are doing well for themselves. So guys, I want you guys to please support this guy. Share the video, go to his page, visit this guy, and when you go there, if you see this video from this platform, tell him that you get this information from Barnabas Gist. Comment Barnabas Gist in his own post so that he will know where these things are coming from. Guys, please, this is what you do for me. I will be happy for it. Not every time we are talking about they buy here. Let us use this more time as well to promote our own. Please, this guy is doing good for himself. I don't know him. I never see him before. I believe he may not come in contact with my channel, but I just see this. I like it, and I choose to bring it here for everybody to see. And I'm going to support this guy financially, but I'm not going to mention amount whatever I will give to this guy in this platform. I will endorse him and support him for what the good work he's doing. Guys, please share this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to give us a follow.